over the sound of the waterfalls, we're going to go into the Cheesecake Factory. And there's not just cheesecake in there, there is food as well, lots of food. Burgers, pastas and all such stuff. So we're going to have some lunch in there and probably a cheesecake as well. And such like, combination of shrimps and seafood over there. This is a big menu. Sandwiches, a sandwich and salads. And slightly healthy, there's some salads, eggs and omelettes, some omelette. Saturday and Sunday brunch. And then, oh my goodness, look at all these cheesecakes. Look at all of them cheesecakes. There's lot, there's specialty desserts as well, but then there's more cheesecakes over there. Wow. And then there's more desserts and beverages, there's ice cream. Hot drinks. That's the menu. I mean, look, there's just lots of stuff to choose from here. I'll put your arms in there now. Right, this is a coffee and a walnut. No, it's not. She's shaking her head. It's not. It's a coffee and cream cheesecake. So I'll do the first cut. Okay, I'll pass the video to Pauline.
The rest good? Okay.
Now we're going to do a Greg Wallace Master Chef.
What, all of them? I can't get all of them. It's like, wow, what they're missing out on. Fiddly.